Hello guys, good evening. Today is evening time. Okay, I have four different sweets here, Filipino dessert. Okay, this one is, we call this, let me see, painitang bulanon. You see this painitang bulanon? Look, painitang bulanon. Ay, sorry. This one is biko. Yeah, biko. Look at this one. This is the one I said they have bukayo inside. Look, very nice, right? Very nice. See, very nice. Look, very nice. Wow, look, very yummy. Look, this is the cochinta. This is the biko purple that we have bukayo inside, and this is also the cochinta with cheese in it, and this is the bibingka. Yeah, this is the bibingka, and this is grilled one. And now we try to eat if what is taste of it, okay? Because I know guys, maybe you are very interested that I have very nice and sweet desserts for tonight. Yeah, I was in my first time I went this one there inside, and also you know guys, they have also this bulanon painitan. They have also a rice coffee. Do you remember the rice coffee that you fry the rice corn? No, not the rice, it's corn. Sorry guys, my mistake, my bad, it's my bad. You know the corn, they will put into the pot, and I think they try to fry it, make sure it's cooked and color dark. That's the one they have a coffee. That's the one that they use like a coffee. So, but because it's my first time, but I used to use like a coffee corn when my mom is alive, because my mother is, you know, because my mom, when she passed away, I don't try it anymore. But how many years I don't see her, so yeah, that's it, and nothing anymore. So right now I try it. It's very good. And right now I want to show you the bibingka. Okay, the bibingka first. This is the bibingka first that I want to try, and the next one is the biko. The biko, this one, the biko. Look, biko. Yeah, that's the biko. And the next one is cochinta. No, pichi pichi with cheese, and the next one is the purple biko. Okay, yeah, now we start eating and we start digging. Okay, I want to try it because, you know, I never try this all colored, the purple one. I never tried this one, you know. I really didn't try this. Yeah, I will try this one first, the purple. I want to look. See, this is my hey, shh, cut. Okay, now I want to show you, huh? Look, it's very good. I think it's very good. Wow, look at that. It's so yummy. Look, see. Look, this is the purple one. Okay. Hello guys, again, good evening. Today is evening time. I want to show you for my first video for my travel farm, Nida. Wait, okay, it's flying. Okay. I hope I do it because it's so. Yes. I have four different sweets that I want to show you. This one I bought this in Painitang Bulanon. Simply Boholano. They call this is a local. This is biko, okay, sweet sticky rice, okay, biko with kamay, kanang with sugar, but we call that kamay. And I have this. The other one is we call bibingka. Committed to develop and promote local produce. Yes, Painitang Bulanon also Jujis. What do you call this? This is bibingka. Okay. I will open this because I want to try this and I want to show you if it tastes good. Okay. Because this is my first time to eat Bulanon sweets like bingka, like sticky rice, biko, and they have also what do you call this, roll biko. The color is purple. Oh, this is very interesting, guys, because I never eat like this before. But this is my first time to eat. So I want to show you what this look like and what is the taste of it. What is the taste of this? Okay? Yeah, this is the bibingka. Yeah, see, look at the don't worry, I will show you and I will take I will show you in very near things. Yeah, I will show you very near. See, tada, bibingka in Bohol, and the other one is biko. See, biko. Yeah, biko. Don't worry, I will show you the biko, and I have a conchenta. Okay, also in Bohol. Okay, also in Jujis Boholano Conchenta. Yeah. Kaya Conchenta, a cassava cake. I think this is a cassava cake, the Conchenta, right? Is very good. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah. Yeah, see, look, it's very nice. And this one is the same. But this one is Bohol, like a sticky, that is a sticky rice also, but they roll it. Yeah, they roll it. They have bukayo in it inside. See, I want to show you. Yeah, okay. I want to show you, look. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah. Sorry guys, I was cut off. Okay. You see that this is the purple, right? This is the purple that I ate before. Look. Yeah. This is the purple biko. I know purple. Yeah, biko. I don't know. They have, see, look. It's very good. This is my chicken attack. Okay. And the next one is the bibingka. Yeah, see, you see the bibingka? Yeah, this is the bibingka. But this one is, see here? It's very good. Now, it's very good bibingka. This is a bibingka from Bohol. But if they don't, this one is not smush. And if I did not put in the refrigerator, it's not it's not a hard. It's soft and smooth. But because I put into the refrigerator, that's why it's a little harder, but it tastes good. Yeah, it's very good. Now The next one, so I will cover it because I don't want something in it. This one is very good. This one that they have biko in it, no, not biko, bukayo. It's very good. I will eat tomorrow with coffee. This one, the second one is the pichi pichi. The third one, no, the pichi pichi, no. The third one is biko, first biko, because I like the biko. See, very red and very good. They make it good and very, oh my gosh. I tried to eat this already. See here? But I want to show you, look. See how nice, look. You see the coconut in the top with, you know, the calamay, look, very nice. You know the calamay in Bisaya, I know mostly in foreigner, they don't know what is calamay. Calamay is like a sugar, but it's different in brown sugar. Yeah. See here. Very nice, you know. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. Okay, very good. Nice. But I don't want to use it. I don't want to finish it because I have a party for tomorrow. Again, very good. The pichi pichi. We call this pichi pichi, but this one is a cassava. Yeah. They put a cheese in it, but mostly I don't like the pichi pichi. They have a cassava in it. I prepare is plain. Okay. I prepare is plain because you know why? For me, the cassava, they have a cheese in it, is not matching, okay? It's better coconut only and the pichi pichi, okay? It's very good, but I'm not impressed, okay? Because I like the coconut with it, okay? And I hope you enjoy the for dessert, a Filipino dessert that I show you. Biko with gamay in the top. Purple with the bukayo. And bibingka. Pichi pichi with cheese, okay? And I hope you enjoy and see you next time. And have fun and have a good night. Bye!